hi. So by the way, my name is Geraldine, but you can also call me Lynn. So for today's video, I will discuss the supply chain in hospitality industry. So when we hear the word hospitality industry, the first things comes up on our mind is they provide services. They provide food. They provide personalized or customized services and more. But maybe some of you wondering how they can provide those services. So this video will help you to understand how did hospitality industry provide the needs of guests or customers. So in the hospitality industry, there is three key players. First is the supplier, next is the producer, and last is the consumer. So what is supplier? So supplier is the one who provides the essential needs, just like raw materials by farmer and also manufacturer. And next is the producer. So producer is the restaurants or hotel, which is they are the one who transform the goods into foods, or they transform the goods into a memorable experience that needed by the guest. And last is the consumer. So the consumer in hospitality industry is called as a guest. But guest is treated just like a god because they are the reason why hotel, restaurant, and more exist. So when it comes to hospitality industry, there is a one secret to have a successful management or operation, and that is collaboration. So collaboration is really important in hospitality industry because hospitality industry is involved a lot of departments, and each department should have a clear communications to each other to avoid conflict and to avoid misunderstanding. So after the three key players in hospitality industry, there is also a four basic flows in supply chain management in hotel industry. So first is product flows, information flows, cash flows, and also the reverse flows. So what is product flows? So product flows is a goods moving from supplier to guest, just like food to table or to your hotel rooms. Next is the information flow. So it is more on data gathering. It is also a data orders confirmation, feedback, helping everyone to anticipate the needs. Next is the cash flow. So cash flow is money moving from guests to producers to suppliers, keeping the system alive. And next is the reverse product flows. So reverse product flows is a returns and recycling damaged goods. Sent back used, all turned to biofuel. By managing these flows will means less waste, more efficiency, and a better guest experience. But even though there is already have idea or a guide to have a successful hospitality management operation, but they still face a risk, and that is the external risk and the internal risk. So if we said external risk, it is a more on natural disaster or price spikes, suppliers' failures can disrupt the deliveries or can delay the supplies, which is those supplies, especially the foods or the raw products or the perishable products will be delayed. There is a big possibility that the orders of the guests cannot be made or cannot be made. Next is the internal risk. So internal risk, it is more on problem and that organization. Like forecasting, bad communication can really cause waste or shortages. And that is the reason why business need backup supplier and flexible plans. So at the end of this video, it is really important in hospitality industry to have this supply chain management, especially the three key players, the four basic flows of supply chain, and even to know that even though there is already have a plan on how to operate or manage the supply chain, but still we just also need to be ready to have a plan B, which is in hospitality industry we can really face some risk, especially when it comes to supply, which is the external and internal. But again, the best secrets to have a successful management is to have collaboration. Each department, each people, or let's just say the organization. Because strong leadership, clear system, and good training are the best defenses.